Alright, y'all, we're about to go through the car wash. Kanan's been through once before, but it's been a while, so I don't know. He thinks it's a waterfall. Yeah, so he seemed pretty excited. So he went through like maybe the beginning of the year, so he probably didn't even remember. But I want to record his reaction and see what it was. He told sister, he said, watch out, sister, be careful, waterfall. So what, baby? Waterfall? Are you scared?
Waterfall. No.
Yeah, you don't need to be scared. It's gonna be fun, okay?
I don't want.
Yeah.
I don't waterfall.
Oh, you want to go in the waterfall?
No.
No. Is sister excited? What's sister doing? All right. We got to go. There's a car in front of us, and then it's our turn. We'll see how Kanan and Carson react. All right, Kanan is starting. What do you see?
Waterfall.
Waterfall. Do you see all the bubbles? All the bubbles. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
That's bubbles?
Cars bubbles. Sure. Yeah, cars bubbles.
Whoa, that's bubbles.
Whoa. Ooh, making cars bubbles. Whoa. Oh. Is that cool? Oh, that's cool, huh, Kane? You want this car to get nice and clean? He's like, what in the world is this? Whoa, that's cool, huh, Candy Bear? What? Cars bubbles. Is it getting nice and clean?
Wow.
Sweet little baby. You are loving this candy poop. I'm glad you didn't have a meltdown. You like it? You like it, or you don't know what to think? Okay, that's our car wash adventure. We're just chilling out in the car wash. Ah! What's up, baby?
That's bubbles.
Fun cars bubbles, baby. Yeah, love you.
I love you.
Alright, we're just waiting for our food. This is John and his co-worker. There's my Carsey poop. Okay. Hi, baby. And I'm drinking some sweet tea. And this is the best sweet tea I've had in a long time. Sweet tea. I haven't had sweet tea in forever. So, yeah. Oh, no. Put it down. Put it down. Thank you. So we're just waiting for our food on Carsey Bear. Her hair looks crazy. She's just waking up.
We were building
What is it? Oh, okay. There goes Carsey Bear eating. I got brisket, mixed greens, potato salad, hush puppies. Kane's got some chicken and fries. And John and Jerry have the same thing. They have.
It has a little bit of everything.
Oh, it's a strap. It's got a rib, chicken, all kinds of stuff. So, all right, y'all. That concludes our afternoon, I think. I don't know. I think we're supposed to hang out with Amber Mo today. So, we'll see. There's Kane and Momo. There's Carsey Bear, aka Amber Jr. And there's Amber. And we're just hanging out at the park.
Mom, can you go across the bridge, Mom?
You want to cross the bridge?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's it.
Let's cross the bridge. Come on. Go. You go first. Uh-oh. Good job, Kane. So y'all, that's what we're doing. We're at the... Isn't this like a nature park? The nature park?
Yeah. Right here.
Yeah, so So that's all we're doing, y'all. Just hanging out. Say bye-bye, Kane.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Momo. He's like, whatever. Alright, be careful, Kane. Alright, y'all, we're in Target. You can see Carson's little hair. I just had to record this. It looks so cute. Eating their popcorn, hanging out in Target. So, there are the boys. Here's Carsey Boots. Hey, girl.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
I and her have a little conversation. Kane's car, yeah. You like hanging out with Momo? Popcorn, yeah. Popcorn. Is it yummy? You like popcorn, don't you, Kane? You're so sweaty. It was so hot today. Sweet little boys. Sweet baby girl. She's like, I want popcorn. What, baby? What do you want, baby?
Lemonade.
You want lemonade?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Well, there it is.